Hey, to measure heart rate on the POCO F6 Pro, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Now you will have to scroll down until you find additional settings. So open the additional settings, and now we are looking for heart rate. It's just right here. Now when you open it, you will be able to click start and put your finger on the sensor and just keep holding for around 15 seconds. As you can see, now I've got around 103, 105. Now it's dropping for 97, 88, 86. And it's showing me 87, right? So this is my result. When I'm gonna check this on the Apple Watch, let's see the comparison. 86, 87 here, and here I've got 94. So that's like some difference right here between the measurement. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.